What's up guys, Donnie with Trade Tricks. So I quickly want to remove the carburetor on this Husqvarna. So let's quickly get started. Okay, so what you want to do next is just remove this plastic cover where you can find the air filter, and you can just take that off and you can use the carburetor. See, there's two clips, just clips open. Just pull that off. And inside here, just a nut you can unscrew with your hand. Inside here, there's two tin nuts, so you can just unscrew those as well. And you can just look as well on the bottom. These star point screws. There's one here, one this side. So there's one on each side. You just loosen that, and then this whole plastic cover will separate from the carburetor. Okay, all you can do now is you can just pull back the carburetor. You can just pull it off here. And there's two wires for the throttle. There's two of them there. So you can just gently pull out the carburetor and we can just unhook those two. Just push it a little bit sideways like this. Unhook it like this. One, two, and there's a spring as well. You can just take that off as well. Okay, you can just take off this wire here on the end. Just pull that off. You can use a plier or something just to pull that, but you can just pull it off as well. For the fuel, just put something in there, plug it with something so it doesn't spill fuel, and then just one star screw there, and then it's off.